We're gonna go clean out a French dryer, and this bitch is coming with me.
Decided to put this gem back up with edits.
Oh, shit's about to go down.
Never again.
Isn't that beautiful, darling?
3 drinks in.
Cheers! Let's go, puta.
Oh boy, this is gonna be chaotic.
Damn. Oh, Jesus,
Why do I sound like Elmo?
You're talking about my ass.
I sure am.
Go screw yourself. Not too bad, not too bad.
What am I doing? Vacuuming air.
I got this at my ass.
Why am I vacuuming the trap like that?
It looks great.
No, it doesn't.
Silly did nothing.
All that vacuuming and the lint is still there. Took us 10 minutes to find the screw.
Oh no.
Just to realize I put in the toolbox so it didn't get lost.
What are you doing with all this ass?
It took 9,000 views to realize you can see my underwear.
Too inebriated for this bullshit.
Yes, you are.
Find a hole.
Challenged each other to find the hole while twerking. Took us 30 minutes to find the it. That's what he said.
We finally got it.
Then we tried to see if we can fit inside the dryer. Couldn't figure out the vacuum.
Somebody push the frickin' thank you.
This was a whole circus.
Some dirty ass bitch.
JP, your dryer is going to need therapy after this.
Where are you, Christmas?
This sheet show is almost
It
done.
is one hell of a bunghole. Oh.